In this video, we're diving into how to use tag-based tracking in advanced affiliate platforms. If you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to track performance and optimize your affiliate marketing campaigns, this tutorial will guide you through using tags to get better insights. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to implement this technique and why it's such a game changer for your affiliate strategy. Let's start with the basics. Tag-based tracking is a system that allows you to assign tags to your affiliate links or actions. These tags let you track performance down to the smallest details. Things like which traffic sources are converting the best or which campaigns are driving the most sales. This is especially important in advanced affiliate platforms, where granular data can make all the difference between an average and a winning campaign. Here's how to get started with tag-based tracking. First, you'll want to set up your tags within the platform. Most affiliate platforms will have a section where you can create custom tags. This could be based on campaign, traffic source, or even content type. For example, if you're running a campaign for a product through an email blast and a paid ad, you can tag those links accordingly so you know which one's performing better. Once your tags are set up, you can start adding them to your affiliate links. This is usually as simple as adding a unique identifier to your URLs. For instance, you might use something like email campaign or Facebook ad to make it clear which source is driving the traffic. From there, every time a click happens, the system will track which tag was associated with it, giving you detailed insights into your performance. Now that you've tagged your links, it's time to track the results. The beauty of tag-based tracking is that it breaks down data into actionable insights. For example, you can see exactly how many clicks and conversions came from your email campaign versus your Facebook ad. This allows you to double down on what's working and eliminate what's not. Advanced affiliate platforms will also let you run these comparisons over time, giving you a clear picture of long-term performance trends. But here's where things get even better. Many advanced affiliate platforms also allow you to create more complex tag setups. For example, you can have subtags within each main tag, allowing you to break down your performance even further. This could be useful if you want to track different regions or user segments within the same campaign. With these insights, you can make smarter decisions faster, all based on data that's tailored to your exact needs. Before we wrap up, I want to give you an exclusive offer. I've tested multiple affiliate tracking software options, and the one we're using in this tutorial is hands down my favorite. You'll find an exclusive free trial for this software in the description below. This trial is available only for viewers of my channel, so make sure you grab it if you want to follow along. Now, to wrap things up, the key takeaway here is that tag-based tracking is essential for optimizing your affiliate marketing efforts. It allows you to get precise data about where your clicks and conversions are coming from. You can track campaigns, sources, and even user behavior with ease, giving you a major advantage when fine-tuning your strategy. Just a quick recap. Start by setting up tags in your platform, add them to your links, and track the results. Use the insights to optimize your campaigns, and don't forget to take advantage of the free trial linked below if you want to dive deeper into tag-based tracking. Thanks for watching.